how did you meet Lila Iké, and then how did she bring you to Protoje in the first place for you to actually become the fourth member of the Indignation Collective?
Well, how did I meet? Okay, so in all truth, I was at a dance show, some culture. It was like a Red Bull dance something. It was keeping in Kingston, like in 2018. And I think at the time, me just dropped for you, literally, mercy like a day or two before. And then I saw her and I said, yo, that girl, I look familiar. And my friend said, yo, yeah, man, and she do the second chance song. So I say, yo, my hail her up, so I just forward over to her. And I was like, yo, you don't know me and thing, but just want to bless you up. And we just have a little genuine conversation with her, and she was very warm. And that's how she, if you know her, she's like that, isn't me? Like, she's genuine and warm and things. So she was just encouraging me. And from there, we just kind of say, yo, we'd love for, so it was give thanks for vibes, and then from there we just start par, and she just start seeing music.
Yeah.
Before that, I never know nobody. And then from then now, just vibing and partying and having musical vibrations together, where the whole rock and groove thing come about. And then, she tell Protoje, say, yo, listen to that girl her name JAZ ELISE. And you probably did have one or two others where they'd say, yo, Diggy, pre that girl, you hear it from all angles. And then when you hear it from a specific one or two, it seal the deal, say, yo, mama, see what go on. But it's just a thing in life when we realize certain things that you desire, you might not know how you get there, but you just have to pray, say the pathway is made for you to get there. Whatever that pathway is, the right pathway for you. So the people who are in my life right now, Indignation, being a part of that with Sev, Lila, and Diggy, I just have to say, give thanks for creating this pathway for me to now manifest what I want to do, which is music.
Yeah, makes sense. Totally makes sense. And the fact that you just took a chance, say, hey, I'm going to hail up Lila. He didn't know her from anywhere. He just connected, and here you are today. That's amazing all in itself.
Yeah, I remember them time that, she's the Lila Iké, now is not the Lila Iké, but then me did just like the song. I'm gonna say, yo, and I'm not that person either, you see me? Like, me's a very shy person, but something they just say, yo, just bless her up and tell her, say, you love the works and keep doing what you're doing. And then she did just encourage, so,
Crazy.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.